Here I've got the old MacBook Pro booted from the USB, and I'm trying to install the OS, and I've got this error message, and I'm going to tell you what's the problem. The problem is the expire certificate. We have to first make sure that we are not connected to the Wi-Fi, because if we are, it's going to update the time via internet. So I'm just going to turn off the Wi-Fi. I'm going to open the terminal, and I'm going to change the date back to the past. I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to close it, close the terminal, and we run the installer, and as you can see, everything works just fine. After installing, you are just going to set the correct date and enable the Wi-Fi. So thank you very much for watching, see you next time, and bye bye.